Hi, welcome to a brand new video lesson. In this video lesson, I'm going to show you how you can take help from AI to develop your machine learning models. But before that, let me show you in the course section. If you go to the basics of machine learning, under this overview of the course and resource materials, you will have the data sets and the codes of the prediction model that we have shown in the course. So let me first download it and start over again, and let me show you how you can take help from AI to develop a machine learning model. So let's download it first and let's download the dataset. That's it. Let's jump into the Google Colab. Select on the first link. Then we are going to upload our coding file. So let's click on upload, choose file. Here is our file that we have just downloaded. Select on it, open. That's it. So we're going to run all over the code again. Let's select on this, just press shift enter. Done. So let's import the dataset. Okay, let's choose file. Let's select the dataset as CSV format. Open it. Okay, there is a problem, like we have a extension name, like you can see. So let me just fix it fast. So I'm going to run this again. As the file is already downloaded on my computer, that is why it's showing another one after the download. Let me show you where. Here you can see after 1.1 there is another one within the brackets. So as I have already downloaded, so I'm going to select the first one, so this one. Let's open. Great. Also, what you can do, you can rename the file. Let's read the dataset. Ta-da. So next, as you already know all of the things, so I'm not going to explain it again. Okay, so let's run it again. So we have encountered an error, could not convert string to float to normal. We can follow two ways. Number one, we can search in Stack Overflow. But in the beginning, I have mentioned that this course is how we can take help from the AI. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT. In a new file. What I'm going to do, I'm going to teach ChatGPT that where I'm stuck. So let's copy, paste, and let's also select the error title sentence. For these lines of codes, I am having error this. Can you please write me the solution? Okay, let's see. Fine, it's suggesting me these lines of code to show our graph. So let's create a new code here and paste. Let's see how we can run it. Yes, that's great. So we can see our output level: normal, depressed, and Persia. So see how we can just take help and teach that where I'm stuck, the AI, and it's helping me. So let's run the next one. Okay, same. So let me just copy these lines of codes, paste it right here, and in the output section I'm going to press gender. So let's run it again. Oh, right. So the number of male and female we can see. Let's run our next part. Great. All is working fine till now. Level encoding. Great, run successfully. Okay. So training and prediction is done. So after that, let's see apply the naive bias, and the accuracy is 75%, the random forest, and the SVM as well. Everything is working fine. So you can run it on your computer. So at this point, I'm going to take help from again AI to develop another machine learning model, logistic regression. So let's first give it a title, logistics regression. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write me a logistic, write me regression part for me. So can you please write the logistic regression part for me? Let's see. Okay. So I only need this part because all of this part is already we have done it. Let's copy the code. I don't need everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm assume this training testing we have already split it. Okay, so we need this model fit. Yes, model dot predict. Okay, save evaluate model. That's great. So let's run it. So X trend. So I think we made a mistake. We have not X trend. Let's match the variable. We need to match X trend is a small letter. So what are we going to do? We're going to replace the X trend with small letter, and yes, I think that's it. So let's see the X text. How did he written? X text is also in a small letter. That's great. So let's run it again. Yes. So we can see all of the things, the classification report, the accuracy is 100%, the confusion metrics as well. So if you want to say like to show them as a plot, you can also do that. Let's ask ChatGPT again that help me to draw the confusion metrics. Okay, so it's showing me the codes. No. What we're going to do, we're going to copy the whole code and paste it in the ChatGPT and ask, help me to draw the diagram of confusion matrix of the code. Let's see what is it, right? So we just need this one, right? So create a heat map for the confusion matrix. Let's copy. Let's create a new course of line and paste it right here, and let's run. Yes. So as you see, ChatGPT is the great teacher of yours if you can utilize it properly. I wish you all the best for your projects and research. Keep up the good work. Thank you for watching. See you in another course.